Are you tired of feeling stuck in a rut, unable to break out of your financial struggles? Do you dream of financial freedom and abundance but just don't know how to get there? Adopting a millionaire mindset may be the key to unlocking your full potential and achieving your goals. A rich mindset is all about shifting your perspective and beliefs about money and success and empowering yourself to take control of your financial future. Today, we will share 10 ways that can help you to acquire the mindset of a millionaire. 1. Set clear financial goals and create a plan to achieve them. One of the key components of a millionaire mindset is the ability to set clear financial goals and create a plan to achieve them. This involves setting both short-term and long-term goals and being specific about what you want to achieve. For example, rather than simply saying, "I want to be rich," you might set a specific goal like, "I want to have a net worth of $5 million by the time I'm 50. Once you have your goals in place, it's important to create a plan to achieve them. This might include saving a certain percentage of your income each month, investing in specific assets, or finding ways to increase your income. Whatever your plan may be, it's important to be proactive and take action towards achieving your goals. 2. Surround yourself with successful people. The people you surround yourself with can have a huge impact on your mindset and behavior. If you want to acquire a mindset like the rich, it's important to surround yourself with people who are already successful and who can serve as role models and mentors. These people can provide valuable guidance and encouragement as you work towards achieving your own financial goals. In addition to seeking out successful people in your personal life, you can also find mentors and role models through books, podcasts, and online communities. By learning from those who have already achieved financial success, you can gain valuable insights and strategies that will help you on your own journey. 3. Embrace a growth mindset and continuous learning. A millionaire mindset is not something that you can acquire overnight. It takes time and effort to develop, and it requires a commitment to continuous learning and personal growth. This means being open to new ideas and perspectives, and being willing to try new things even if there is a risk of failure. There is no risk of failure if you subscribe to our channel now. One way to cultivate a growth mindset is to seek out new learning opportunities and challenges. This might include taking courses or workshops, attending conferences or networking events, or simply reading books and articles on topics related to personal finance and business. By continually expanding your knowledge and skills, you can continue to grow and evolve as a person and increase your chances of achieving financial success. 4. Focus on abundance, not scarcity. One of the key differences between a rich mindset and a poverty mindset is the way in which people view abundance and scarcity. Those with a millionaire mindset tend to focus on abundance and the abundance of opportunities available to them, while those with a poverty mindset tend to focus on scarcity and the lack of resources or opportunities. To cultivate a millionaire mindset, it's important to shift your focus from scarcity to abundance. This means believing that there are plenty of resources and opportunities available to you, and that you have the ability to attract them into your life. It also means being grateful for what you already have rather than dwelling on what you don't have. By adopting an attitude of abundance, you can open yourself up to new possibilities and increase your chances of attracting wealth and abundance into your life. 5. Take calculated risks and embrace failure. Another key aspect is the willingness to take risks and embrace failure. While it's important to be smart and strategic in your financial decisions, it's also important to be willing to take risks and try new things. This might mean starting a business, investing in a new venture, or simply trying something that is outside of your comfort zone. Of course, it's natural to be afraid of failure and to want to avoid it at all costs. But it's important to recognize that failure is a natural part of the learning process and that it can also lead to growth and success. By embracing failure and viewing it as a learning opportunity, you can develop the resilience and persistence needed to achieve your goals. Additionally, it is important to remember that failure is not a reflection of your worth or abilities as a person. It is simply a part of the process of learning and growing. Instead of dwelling on your failures or letting them discourage you, try to reframe your perspective and see them as opportunities for growth and learning. This positive mindset can help you to bounce back from setbacks and continue working towards your goals with determination and resilience. It can also help you to become more resilient and adaptable in the face of future challenges, setting you up for long-term success. 6. Practice mindfulness and gratitude. Another important aspect of a millionaire mindset is the practice of mindfulness and gratitude. Mindfulness is the act of being present in the moment and paying attention to your thoughts and feelings without judgment. It can help you to be more aware of your thoughts and emotions and to develop a greater sense of control over them. Gratitude, on the other hand, is the act of being thankful and appreciative for what you have. It can help you to shift your focus from scarcity to abundance and to cultivate a sense of contentment and well-being. By regularly practicing mindfulness and gratitude, you can develop a more positive and hopeful outlook on life, which can help to attract wealth and abundance into your life. 7. Take responsibility for your financial situation. A millionaire mindset involves taking full responsibility for your financial situation, rather than blaming external circumstances or other people for your financial struggles. This means recognizing that you have the power to shape your financial future and that you are in control of your own financial decisions. Taking responsibility for your financial situation also means being proactive in seeking out opportunities to improve your financial situation. This might involve seeking out additional education or training, starting a side business, or simply being more mindful of your spending habits. By taking ownership of your financial situation, you can develop the confidence and determination needed to achieve financial success. 8. Develop strong financial habits and discipline. Thinking like the rich also involves developing strong financial habits and discipline. This means being proactive in managing your finances, setting aside money for savings and investing, and avoiding impulsive or unnecessary spending. It also means being consistent in your financial practices and staying focused on your long-term financial goals. Developing strong financial habits and discipline can be challenging, but it's essential for achieving financial success. One way to do this is to set specific financial goals for yourself and to track your progress towards achieving them. This can help you to stay motivated and focused and to stay on track towards achieving your financial goals. 9. Think big and aim high. The next habit you can adopt requires thinking big and aiming high rather than settling for mediocrity or being afraid to pursue your dreams. Set ambitious financial goals for yourself and believe in your ability to achieve them. Take bold action and make sacrifices in order to achieve your goals. Stay positive and focused, and push forward even when faced with setbacks or challenges. Thinking big requires a certain level of optimism and belief in yourself and your abilities. It's important to stay positive and focused, and to keep pushing forward even when faced with setbacks or challenges. By thinking big and aiming high, you can set yourself up for success and create the life you want. 10. Focus on the future. Finally, a millionaire mindset involves focusing on the future, rather than being stuck in the past or living only for the present. This means being proactive in planning and preparing for the future and being mindful of the long-term consequences of your financial decisions. It also means being open to new opportunities and being willing to adapt and evolve as your circumstances change. Focusing on the future requires a certain level of discipline and perseverance. It's important to stay focused on your goals and to take consistent action towards achieving them. By focusing on the future, you can create a solid foundation for your financial success and create the life you want. With dedication and effort, you can develop the mindset and skills needed to achieve financial success and create the life you want. By implementing these strategies, you can start making progress towards achieving your financial goals and creating the life you want. See you next time.